I'm Katrina Cotton for Investment Pitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Ximen Mining has kicked off its 2022 exploration programs this week, starting with some of its properties in the Nelson area of British Columbia. Ximen now controls approximately 21,300 hectares of mineral properties near Nelson, covering 57 mineral occurrences, including its 100% owned Kenville Gold Mine. Although the current focus is on the Kenville Gold Mine, the first recorded underground mine in British Columbia, having started production in 1890 and mined into the 1950s, the company is actively working on the Wilcox tailings dump and the protection dump. In addition, a drill permit is in place for the California mine property, with drilling planned for later this year, and an application has been made for the area covering the Star and Venus properties. Ximen acquired the Wilcox and protection properties, along with several other nearby properties, in June 2020. The acquisition also included a tailings deposit from the historic Wilcox mine, a small high-grade gold producer with a mill that processed about 14,555 tons of ore between 1900 and 1940. In 2005, the resource potential of the tailings deposit was estimated in a report titled Wilcox Mine Tailings Gold Resource Evaluation. The average grade of the tailings deposit was estimated at 3.09 grams per ton gold, based on the multiple assays of samples collected on a grid pattern, with the tonnage estimated at 12,387 tons based on depth and specific gravity measurements. The in situ gold potential was estimated at 1,230 ounces of gold, with an average gold recovery rate of 80% projected, based on available metallurgical test results. Management cautions that Ximen Mining is not treating this historical estimate as current mineral resources or mineral reserves. In 2021, geochemical sampling was conducted at the Wilcox tailings, rock sampling was done at the protection mine dump, and soil sampling was done south of the Kenville mine. Work also included and construction of exploration trailer camp and facilities. The current work program will include sampling of the Wilcox mine dump, thickness measurements of the Wilcox tailings, collection of bulk sample of tailings for metallurgical testing, and determination of the bulk density of the tailings. The Wilcox tailings sampling program, consisting of 128 samples, outlined a gold-bearing tailings deposit extending approximately 500 meters in length and 100 meters wide, and covering an estimated area of 67,000 square meters that extends from a historic mill site. The arithmetic average gold grade is 2.39 grams per ton gold. Rock sampling of the protection dump consisted of 39 composite samples collected on a 10 by 10 meter grid. Average grades of the samples are 9.5 grams per ton gold, 47.5 grams per ton silver, 1.13% lead, and 1.37% zinc. The mine dump has an area of roughly 2,717 square meters. Soil sampling was done on a grid extending south from the Kenville mine. Results included elevated results for gold, where values ranged up to 0.487 parts per million gold, silver, where values ranged up to 7.97 parts per million silver, and copper, where values ranged up to 2,590 parts per million copper. Anomalies for gold occur near the Kenville property boundary and around the Jackpot Occurrence property. Silver values were elevated mostly in the southeast and east of the sample grid, forming 3 northwest trending anomalies. Copper values show an anomaly in the south-central part of the sampling grid, in between the Moore 1, Eureka, and Central occurrences. Ximen also owns 100% of 3 precious metal projects located in southern BC, the Amelia Gold Mine, the Brett Epithermal Gold Project, and the Treasure Mountain Silver Project, adjacent to the past-producing Huldra Silver Mine. Currently, the Treasure Mountain Silver Project is under an option, with the option partner making annual staged cash and stocks payments, as well as funding the project. Ximen shares are trading at 12.5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, xxMiningcorp.com. Contact Christopher R. Anderson, President and CEO, at 604-488-3900. For investor relations, contact Sophie Cesar at 604-488-3900 or by email at ir@xxMiningcorp.com. I'm Katrina Cotton for Investment Pitch Media.